everybody? I'm Jason, this is the Freebird Garage, and today we are doing a how-to on a transmission oil change. My Harley Davidson 1992 FXR. Done the other two 3-hole changes, and this is the final one. This is probably, to me, the easiest one to do. Simply just one bolt that we gotta undo, but just to make sure, we're going by the service manual. Right there. That's what always makes sure that it is 100% correct when we get it done. All right? So, first part, let's get down low. Gotta get low by the transmission. All right, before we start, we have materials we gotta go over, right? Transmission fluid, drag specialties is what I use right there, pretty standard stuff. A 7/8 socket for down below to get that drain plug off. The wrench of your choosing to remove it. Torque wrench, my favorite right there. Bam! You always gotta have a nice torque wrench. This one's not so nice, but it works. Torque wrench. You want to have that in the end. 3/8 Allen head. Drain pan. And of course, your bike needs to be up and down perpendicular. I have it on a stand. Whichever way you want to choose to be able to get that bike nice and perpendicular so that fluid drains perfectly down as told by the service manual. All right, so let's get underneath this deep, dark crevice below and drain the fluid. Should just be snugged on. We'll loosen that up so that I can get it ready to drop. There we go. All right, showing you guys what I found. Nothing. That's fantastic. Just small little bits of shaving. Even the washer still looks fantastic. So great news. The transmission is doing very fine. Now we can just bolt this back up and get the fluid back in. All right, putting the plug back in. I did clean off the plug and the gasket, so definitely do that if you're reinstalling this. Don't want to put shavings back into your transmission. Okay, nice and finger tight. Now we're gonna snug it down by the torque spec. 4 to 15 foot-pounds. Gonna start off with just 4, and we'll bump it up to 15. Right there, 15. You don't want to over-torque this, otherwise you can have some major problems. Leakage, popping off the dipstick, so we can fill it back up. $20 to 24 ounces. Once again, I'm using drag specialties, and you'll probably also want a funnel. Forgot to mention that, so you don't spill all over your motor. See if I don't get any on mine right now. Oh, I already just did. Woo. Right there, brand new case down to the 8 ounce. That's where we want to be. Clean this up and we'll check the level here. There's a dipstick right there, and you want to be at the full mark as per the service manual. Let's see where we land. Oh yeah. Perfect, right there. Just where we want to be. All right, now we'll just snug this down. This drain plug just stops too. You don't want to over torque it, just snug it. You can't, it's real hard to go past it, so just goes till it stops. Good, wipe this down. Get all that extra oil. Spill just a little bit. All right, looking good. Bam, transmission oil complete, all done, swapped out, changed. Just gotta dispose of the oil now. It's probably the hardest part on this. This is the easiest oil change out of the 3 that you can do and takes the least amount of oil, and there's no filter. Just gotta make sure you don't fuck up that oil drain plug, and that's all you gotta do. It's pretty simple. In and out, and you're done, but it has to be done every 5,000 miles on this, or I guess whenever you can get to it. But that'll about wrap it up for me on this one, guys. I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you, and as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!